it though? This was off this one.
You can start this one off.
You start this off.
Okay. I need to be louder. So, what I did this summer. Let's see. I worked 2 jobs. McDonald's, Domino's. Love it. Heart. I also, what happened this summer is me, Carrie, and Cliff, their brother, went to Cali.
Without us.
And yeah, they ditched us. We had a party. They're not 18. Hello.
Whoa, almost there.
So, I have far. Jail dates, guys. Get it right. But we went to California. Amazing, beautiful, so much. It's like indescribable. California has like everything from everything. It's like, and there's no humidity. No humidity. Amazing. I like woke up and could breathe. I got to see Britney Spears. Cliff was peeing and Carrie was fine. And it was awesome. So I think I got that backwards. I think you were peeing. Yeah. Carrie was peeing. Cliff was buying the drink. But yeah, basically. And then what else I did is right before I wrecked my car. Is we went camping in Sebastian, and this is how we created the ABT. The girls, aka.
Yeah,
but,
whatever you want to refer to as.
Yeah, but I'm going to pass it on to Miss T.
Alright, listen. Very beginning of the summer, we had a surf camp. Sorry, we're at surf camp.
Yeah.
We decided to go to that camp in disguise. Yeah, surfers. But anyway, so we surfed. I surfed next to this pro guy, and I dropped in on a longboard, and he told me I did perfect. I was like, yeah. And then, at the very end of it, after the end of 4 days, there was a surf competition with sharks that touched legs and tried to eat people. Alright, not really. But there was a shark high five. Listen, sharks would come up and we'd be like, hey, what's up? Share with us. We don't even care. Like that. Like,
that was amazing.
Talk to them and stuff, you know? And surf competition, I did handstands on my board and somersaults and got first place.
I got this, but it works.
Yeah.
Well, I don't have my surf shirt, but I have surf necklace on.
Oh, truly do.
I'm not in it.
I'm totally sarcastic.
It says, that you know, surf camp 2009, and it's all about Jesus.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so what I'm talking about is the trip to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Tennessee is like the awesomest state ever because there are bears. We saw a wolf. It wanted to eat me. It was amazing. Anyway, I took the picture. Whatever. Anyway, we went tubing in like 42-degree water. Freezing cold, but it was awesome. And also, it was my birthday on the day that we were leaving. Too bad it was the day we were leaving, but still, I had my 15th birthday, and it was fun. We went in town, Gatlinburg, best town ever, because we were shopping nonstop. And that's about it.
And also, along with summer comes summer homework! Yeah, no one likes summer homework. That's all I'm going to say. AP English, no one likes The Invisible Man. I'm just saying, don't read that book.
Unless you have to.
Yeah, unless you have to. Yeah. But summer art was fun. I'll tell you that.
Tomorrow school starts, and I don't have it, but they do.
I'm a senior. I'm graduating.
I'm going to be a sophomore. Ooh, sophomore.
Yeah. All right, but that was our summer for you.
Yeah.